Hello subscribers, this is Apple. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, as what you can see in the title, I will be revealing to you my latest skincare that matagal-tagal ko nang ginamit tong mga product na to guys, pero hindi ko muna share sa inyo kasi pinag-aralan ko muna siya sa mismong balat ko guys, sa face ko. So I think I'm using this kind of brand maybe for the past 7 months already. So now that nakikita ko na yung effect niya, kaya pala sinishare ko to sa inyo guys kasi before pandemic started guys, nung mga 9 months or 8 months before, nagkaroon ako ng grabbing outbreak guys na dumating na sa point na ayaw ko nang lumabas, ayaw ko nang mag-take ng pictures ng walang filter, and ayaw ko nang may makakita sa akin na walang mask kasi nagmask ni ako guys. Tapos ewan ko, baka na-allergy na rin ako sa mga, ewan ko talaga kung anong reason ng outbreak na yun or yung mask ba yun. Basta nagpakita ko dito sa side guys yung mga previous pictures ko na very depressing, and I know if may makarelate dito sa inyo dyan, sa mga nanonood, I wanna give you a hug and I totally understand you. Kaya guys, pag may nakikita kayong taong nag-outbreak guys, huwag niyong sabihan na, uy, anong nangyari sa face mo? Kasi it's really depressing guys. Hindi nyo lang alam yung nafe-feel nila. Alam nilang may pimples sila, kaya huwag nyo nang sabihan na lang please. Kasi hindi nakakatulong sa mental health ng tao guys. So, I really like these products guys, and I will be sharing it to you para i-try nyo man to. But I'm not sure guys, I'm not saying guys na kung nag-work ang mga product na to sa akin is mag-work din sa inyo. So I'm just sharing this, baka malay nyo magugustuhan din ang skin. Further ado, I will introduce you my latest skincare products. It is from the brand Rix Skin Sincerity. From the Philippines to guys. So meron siyang, sa isang set, meron siyang 4 products guys. Starting from the facial wash, cleanser, and then toner, and then day cream or sunblock, and then meron siyang night cream guys. So explain ko sa inyo paano to gamitin. But before that, before I use this set, is nag-start muna ako sa Beautiful Starter Kit nila guys, sa Rix Skin Sincerity. Guys, nakadalawang dalawang pack ako nun kasi hindi siya pwedeng gawin mong maintenance set or maintenance sa face mo guys kasi rejuvenating set yon, and rejuvenating is not good for your skin if gawin mo siyang continuously. Etong poreless skin set guys is pwede mo to siyang pang maintenance kasi very mild na to siya. Beautiful Starter Kit guys, meron siyang facial wash or facial cleanser, and then toner, and then day cream or the sunblock, and then at night guys, facial wash again, and then toner, and then the night cream. So it's the same also with this 4 items in the poreless skin set guys. Kasi I am the type of person guys na hindi talaga matyaga ang daming nilalagay sa face. Yung naghahanap talaga ako ng skincare na babagay sa face. So I'm not also pro in this skincare guys. Sinishare ko lang talaga sa inyo ang mga ginagamit ko kasi from my last vlog guys, maraming nagtatanong about my skincare. So this one, ang ano lang talaga niya guys, gamitin, napakadaling gamitin kasi pag maliligo ako or maghihilamos, I'm just using this poreless gel cleanser. It has 40 ml. Malapit na siyang maubos guys, so bibili na naman ako ulit. So it comes with a pump. So mga 2 pumps ang ginagamit ko guys every time I wash in the morning and evening guys. So this one, and then ang consistency niya guys, I will show you. Pag 1 pump, so ganyan. So runny siya guys, na parang water base. So it says here direction: wet your face and squeeze a small amount of poreless cream cleanser in your hands. Rub your hands to lather and apply to your face. This product is made with the mildest and skin loving ingredients that will clean and brighten your face after every wash. Use repeatedly for best. So guys, meron siyang precaution nakasulat dito. So, a patch test is recommended prior to use. Store in a cool, dry place not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately with water. So, if you are a very sensitive skin, so better mag-patch ka dito sa side or sa arms mo guys bago mo i-try ang product na to if it's allergic. So, next is the toner. So, poreless toner. So, direction, keep your skin supple and hydrated with a poreless toner. You can use a cotton pad or your fingers and lightly dab your face and wipe upwards. Let your skin absorb the product. I really love this toner guys kasi feel clean and then I like the dewy effect after I put this one on my skin. Yeah, hindi ako nag-highlighter guys pero see yung skin ko dewy. So that's what I like. So depende talaga guys. It all depends on you, on what's your preference. And then next is the poreless day cream, or it's like a sunblock. So this poreless day cream, direction, apply a generous amount in your fingertips or direct to the face and lightly dab to let the skin absorb the product. By the way guys, when I put my toner, I'm not using cotton pads guys kasi nakikita ko sa mga Korean guys na nilalagay lang nila sa fingers nila or nilalagay directly sa face tas i-dab-dab-dab lang siya guys kasi 'di ba nalaman ko din dati yan sa isang dermatologist na maybe yung cotton is allergic ako sa cotton or yung cotton is hindi clean. Like it's clean by your naked eyes but deep inside baka may mga germs yan. Hindi natin alam sa factory, di ba? Maalikabok or what. So it's better to put it in my clean hands. Naghugas mo na akong kamay guys bago talaga ako mag skincare. So next is day cream guys. So ang day cream guys, hindi ko na rin nilalagay sa fingers ko. Diretso ko na siya ilagay sa face. Ganyan. I will show you how I put it and then ano ko lang, upward motion guys. I-rub sa whole face and including the neck. Para may protection din siya sa sun. And then for the night guys, pareho lang sila. Magamit during the only difference is the day cream and the night cream. So pag gabi, gagamit ka pa rin ng cleanser or facial wash and then toner and then the night cream. So for the night cream, apply a generous amount in your fingertips or direct to the face. So ang ginagawa ko pa rin guys is direct to the face kong nilalagay. To siya, tube. Parang nagsisqueeze lang ako. Ganyan siya guys. So yung consistency niya guys is, malapit na pala maubos. So like this, water-based din siya guys. Yeah. So, nilalagay ko siya directly sa face ko and then nirarub ko din siya. Upward motion. So, ganyan siya guys. Gel type. Yeah, ganyan. So, diba glowy siya guys. Nakaka-enhance ng skin. And then, the day cream guys, I will show you the consistency. Maputi siya, ganyan. Ganyan. And then, ganyan. And then, ito sila guys, mabilis i-absorb ng skin. Kaya, hindi mo maramdaman yung pagkaano nila, yung pagkamalagkit. Hindi sila malagkit guys. After mag-absorb sa skin. Then, scatter mo yan sa skin mo. And then, see? It's glowing. See? And then, meron na siyang whitening effect. So, kaya hindi na ako naglalagay ng foundation or sometimes guys, pag everyday, ito lang sunscreen or day cream guys. Pero pag yung may lakad kami, nagpapatong pa ako ng very light na BB cream from Maybelline. So, this is all my skincare guys. This is all my skincare for now. I've been using this like maybe 1 month na siguro. Matipid siyang gamitin kasi, walang natatapon na product guys eh. Kasi siya tube. And then ito pump. And then ito, nakasealed talaga siya. Kasi di ba may ganyan. Tapos meron pang ganyan. So hindi siya natatapon. And I'm applying a very generous amount guys. So I will show you on the next video guys how to apply my hope you enjoy this video. If please don't forget to click the like button and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Healthy skin talaga guys. Tignan nyo naman yung skin ko guys. May mga hyperpigmentation pa rin ako guys kasi every month pag may monthly period guys, nagkakaroon talaga ako ng pimples pa isa-isa. And then, alam niyo naman yung pimple blemish guys, matagal siyang matanggal.